What if I told you that you don't need Photoshop, expensive tools, or even design skills to create stunning, high-quality AI images, and you can do it 100% for free? Most people think AI images are only for those who can pay monthly subscriptions, but that's a lie. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to generate professional, scroll-stopping AI images for free. Images you can use for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram ads, business designs, and content creation. No hidden costs, no paid tools, no complicated setup. If you've ever wanted to create high-resolution, realistic, and eye-catching AI images without spending a dime, then this video is exactly for you. Stay with me till the end because I'll also share tips most people don't know that can instantly upgrade the quality of your images. Let's get started.
For the sake of this tutorial, guys, I'll be using my Google browser. So here on my Google browser, I will go ahead and type ImageFX. So this is it. Like right now, I've gone ahead to click on it and it has brought me to this interface. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on this first option here, this one that says Google Labs. So I've gone ahead to click on it and it has brought me to another interface. Now looking at this interface, at the top left hand side it says ImageFX. Now if you look at it again, you see here try with Whisk. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on it. I have clicked on it and it has brought me to this interface. So now that it has brought me to this interface, I'll go ahead and click on Enter Tool. I have gone ahead to click on Enter Tool and it has brought me to this particular interface. So this is where we are going to generate our images. Now guys, if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, I will personally show you how to generate consistent images. I will show you how to do that with just one prompt. Looking at this interface, there are so many things you can do with this platform. You can generate unlimited numbers of images. When I talk about unlimited numbers of images, and I'm talking about clear, beautiful, professional, realistic images. You understand? Now, first of all, if you click on this my library, if you click on it, it will show you other things that you've done on this platform. These are previous things that I have done using this platform. So at this point, I'll just go ahead and click on create new project. So I've clicked on create new project and it has brought me back to this interface. Now looking below here, if you click on this first icon here, this first stuff here, now it will automatically give you a prompt. So in case you really do not know what you want to create and all of that, this platform will give you an already designed prompt. But personally, I don't like using it because I already have my own prompt. Now in a situation where you click on the second icon here, I've clicked on it and it has brought out aspect ratio. So this first one, we have aspect ratio 1:1, which is square. We have aspect ratio 9:16, which is portrait, and aspect ratio 16:9, which is landscape for YouTube. So at this point, I will just go straight to the business of today because I don't want this video to be long. So here, this is where you're to describe what you want. This is where you're to describe what you want. This is where you're to put your prompt. So the prompt we have here is what the platform gave to me. So I don't want it. I'll just go ahead and select everything, then paste my own prompt. You understand? So this is my prompt. Here I said, give me a picture of an African lady, dark in complexion, tall, beautiful, sitting in a luxurious bedroom. Make it realistic, professional, clear and clean. Later wear a simple luxurious dress. So this is my prompt. You understand? So why I am reading out this prompt for you is because I want you to know that this prompt is well detailed. So when pasting your own prompt or when writing your own prompt, make it well detailed. You understand? So at this point, I'll just go ahead and click on this arrow here. Have gone ahead to click on the arrow telling it to generate for me. You understand? At this point, it has generated these two images for me. If I click on it like right now, look at this one. Look at this one. Let me zoom so you can see. She's beautiful. Also look at this other one. Look at this other one. This one is also beautiful, but I think I prefer this first one because it looks very simple. So I'll go with this first one. Now once it generates images for you like this, if you want to achieve consistent character, this is what you're going to do. By now, I believe you must have gotten your scripts ready. If you don't know how to get your scripts ready, let me know in the comment section. So by now, you must have gotten your scripts ready. You must have gotten your image prompts ready. Like, you know the numbers of characters that you want for your work. You understand? You know the numbers of characters. You know the ones that you want them consistent. So those ones that you want them consistent, let me show you what to do and how to keep them consistent. So first of all, you need to generate that image of that person that you want to be consistent. So let's assume this is the lady. I want her image to be consistent. I want an image of her in the bedroom. I already have one here. I want an image of her with someone. I want an image of her with a lady. I want an image of her in a market. I want an image of her eating and all of that. We are going to achieve that right here. So at this point, I'll just go ahead and click on the image. So I've gone ahead to click on the image. All I will do at this point is for me to copy this description. You understand? I'll click on it, select everything and delete it. So let's assume I want an image of this lady. In a market. I'll just say, please give me an image of this lady in a Lagos market, in a busy Lagos market, buying tomatoes. So this is it. So now that I'm done writing it, I'll go ahead and click on generate. Have gone ahead to click on generate. It is generating like right now for me. So I'm still waiting for it to get done generating. One thing you need to know about this platform is that it does not waste time. And another thing is this, I am using the pro version. So with this pro version, I can generate about 5 videos. Or so. Now another thing is that whether you're using the pro version, you're using the free version, you can generate unlimited numbers of images for free. So look at the images it generated for me. I think I prefer this one. So let's see if it looks like the lady. It looks like her. So we already have one image of her. So let's go back. Let me use this original one again. I have clicked on it and I will delete this particular prompt. I'll just add it there that I need an image of this lady in, okay, let me just say driving a car. I need an image of this lady driving a car. So I'll click on generate. So the only thing you need to do is that you just need to generate one image, then tell it different places where you want those images to be, and that's just it. You will get your consistent characters. In a situation where you want it to wear different dresses, you can as well go ahead and tell it the colors of dress you want. You understand? So look at this. Let's say if it looks like this lady. Of course it does. Let's look at this other one. let's look at this other one. So it looks like the lady. So this is how to achieve consistent character. Let me show you something else. So if you look at this corner here, if you look at my left hand side here, you see the small icon. You can go ahead and click on the small icon. So now that I've clicked on the small icon, it has brought out this interface for me. So here we have subject, we have scene, and we have style. So you may want to make use of this subject, scene, and style. So at this point, if I go ahead and click on this plus sign here, if I go ahead and click on the plus sign, it will tell me to put my description. I should describe my image. So let me just go ahead and say I need a picture. I need a picture of an African lady crying. I need a picture of an African lady crying. I'll go ahead and click on generate. I've gone ahead to click on generate. Now at this point, this is the scene. This is the scene. So meaning the location. Look at her eyes. This is the image it generated for me. So if I go ahead and click on it, it has given me two options. I want you to see it. I may want to bring in the scene from my gallery. I may want to generate it using prompt. On the other hand, I may also want to use the one that the app has for me, but I don't want to. If you want to use the one the app has for you, you can click on this little icon here and you will get that. So I'll just go ahead and click on the plus sign, and I'll go ahead and generate the scene using my prompt. I'll just be like a luxurious YouTube studio. A luxurious YouTube studio. No, it does not really synchronize, but there is no problem. So at this point, it is still generating. So here it's asking for style. Okay, for this style, let's use the one this app has for us. If you click on this icon here, let me show you. If you click on this icon, look at what it has shown us. So at this point, you can just go ahead and click on this generate. I've gone ahead to click on the generate, and it is generating for us. So let's see what it has. For us. This is what it's generated because I chose this style. Do you understand? Because I chose this style. So this is the lady crying. Putting on this other costume. You understand? So one thing you need to know about this particular platform is that if you give it a well-detailed prompt, it will give you what you want. You may want to make use of this subject, scene, style. You may want to use everything from this description. There is really no problem. So guys, thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.